Good afternoon, you're watching DD India Live. To begin with the top story of the day. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi called for unity among Global South nations during the opening ceremony of Third Voice of Global South Summit on Saturday. With the theme, An Empowered Global South for a Sustainable Future, the summit envisaged bringing together countries of the Global South. The summit also hosted Now, the summit, which has been hosted by India, acted as a responsible and a platform to expand discussions held in the previous summits on a range of complex challenges that continue to affect the world, such as conflicts, food and energy security crisis, along with climate change.
और अनिश्चितता का माहौल है। हम क्लाइमेट चेंज की चुनौतियों का सामना तो कर ही रहे हैं और अब हेल्थ सिक्योरिटी, फूड सिक्योरिटी और एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी की चिंताएं भी है। आतंकवाद, अतिवाद और अलगाववाद हमारे समाजों के लिए गंभीर खतरा बने हुए हैं। टेक्नोलॉजी डिवाइड और टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़ी नई आर्थिक और सामाजिक चुनौतियां भी सामने आ रही हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi further pointed out that there is an atmosphere of uncertainty all over the world, but the Global South nations should be prepared to face all the challenges.
मानवीय संकट के समय भारत एक फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर की तरह अपने मित्र देशों की सहायता कर रहा है। चाहे पापुआ न्यू गिनी में ज्वालामुखी फटने की घटना हो या कीनिया में बाढ़ की घटना, हमने गाजा और यूक्रेन जैसे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्षेत्रों में भी मानवीय सहायता प्रदान की है।
And to get a quick recap of the closing remarks, I'm joined by DD India correspondent Amritpal Singh. Amrit, when we look at the closing remarks of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this seems to be a good beginning in the first session itself with the allocation of funds in the name of Global Development Compact. How do you assess this beginning or at the third Global Voice of Global South Summit, Amrit?
I think that was a significant announcement that the Prime Minister made. He said that after listening to the various leaders who spoke at the leaders' meeting this morning, the Prime Minister said that factoring all that, India proposes a global development compact which will address the needs of the global South. He said that India will pledge a $1 million fund to it, and it needs to be taken further at the global summit, which is going to be held at the Summit of the Future, which is going to be held next month at the UN headquarters. Primarily saying that the developmental needs can provide a financial allocation for that. For example, he spoke about saying that the country, this forum will act as negotiators for best practices of trade which are favorable to the global South, and not just that, but which will act as a counterweight to international financial lending institutions which lend, but it finally leads to a debt trap, as we've seen in many of the global South countries go down that way. So he said in those hours of crisis, this would come handy, and this needs to grow further. So I think this is an idea that India has proposed. It needs the global South countries. There would be a reasonable sense of consensus on that, that the Prime Minister chose to announce this at the closing of the Leaders Summit.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much, Amrit, for joining us and bringing us a rounded perspective on the closing remarks